So I know I can't be the only one that's tired of these scammers, these credit repair scammers, getting on YouTube and just straight up lying to you about certain things. So I created a little short, I think it's about a 2 minute long compilation of uh, our favorite scammer, just telling lie after lie after lie. But check it out.
Credit sweep is a term, it's a long, well-known term in the industry of credit repair. Keep in mind, credit repair has been around since 1980, even before that. Credit sweep is a term used to quickly repair your credit like that, often within the advertisements of credit repair companies. If you ever hear the word credit sweep, then you need to be careful because it's probably most likely 90% it's a scam.
Unfortunately, due to technical difficulties, we're only able to import 4 months into CRC. These are the 4 months: 586, 624, 624, and 630. And when I said technical difficulties, I meant technical difficulties. Liquid Equifax is completely locked, and not even Equifax can tell you why. But that's another story to tell you later. I want you to look at the bottom of the screen here. We were able to remove over 200 negative items in those 4 months alone. So if anyone's calling us a scam out here, it's not based upon anything, and they're probably just a competitor that's jealous. Paul, are you still denying the truth? You're delusional. If you're the goat, I'm the motherfucking shepherd. This is my client, Ricardo. As you can see, we removed 17 negative items. He initially hired me to remove a bankruptcy, but before we attempted to dispute the bankruptcy, we had to do a couple things first. Allow me to explain.
Let me just say this, add a note here. If you're doing anything AI related with credit repair, like writing a letter, if you're not already good at writing, the AI is not going to do a better job.
Anyone that may have child support or any public records on the credit report, as you can see here, here is proof that we removed child support off of our client's credit report. We know how tough the courts can be, but we can pretty much remove any public record off a credit report. As you can see here, proof from Los Angeles, family child support Los Angeles. This was removed not too long ago. As you can see here, it's the 1st of April. And between the March 17th and the 24th, not too long ago, this was removed. So once again, yeah, we do remove child support, okay, and any other public records off of credit reports.
So as you can see, lying is all that scammers know how to do. They'll tell you one thing and then do the exact opposite. They'll talk about somebody when they're actually talking about themselves. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.